Oh my gosh, guys! Today we are going to be escaping my evil grandma, Obby. Yes, today, guys, we are escaping my evil grandma. Let's get on to this. This stage is pretty easy, if you ask me. I used to play this a lot in 2020. Sort of to get me on board. Oh no! Yeah, I used to play this game a lot back in 2020, but it just... There we go. I made it to the next stage. Ooh. Teeth? Teeth? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, a dead end. Try and click an object to open a secret door. Okay. A little trippy. Oh no, I missed it again. Okay. I think I know the way, but I don't remember much of it because I haven't played this game in a while. Why would she be following me? She's cheating because she's following me. She's following me. Like she thinks she can cheat by just following me. That stage is pretty easy. But my grandma is like out of her mind because why would she do this? Why? I've played this on my other channel, but I'm not going to mention the name in case you want to go look for it. Oh no! Oh, she thinks she can get ahead of me. Ha 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 ha. That's the trick. That is a trick. I think I messed her up. I did not mean to do that. Okay, do not let these get me. Okay. Oh! Man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no! Gotta fix the mic a little bit. Okay. I do not want it to get me. No! Oh, sorry you can hear that annoying cat in the background. No! Oh no! Let me see what kind of... I'm just gonna skip. Okay. So I kind of cheated right there because I skipped the stage. You guys saw that. I kind of cheated right there because I skipped the stage. Because it's just impossible. That stage is just impossible to do. This stage isn't, but the other stage is like impossible. So I had to skip. But I won't be doing that next time I play this, which will probably be never, because the next game I'm going to be playing is Grandpa Obby. Yes, I am playing Grandpa Obby. How did I die? Like, do you guys see me touching it? No, you don't. Oh no! I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna skip the stage this time. I'm going to do the stage. Almost there. Yes! I just made it! Ooh, I'm on the leaderboard. I am on fire with this. Okay, don't touch any of the stuff right here. No! How? Like, literally no one's doing any stages. Like, it's just me who's on the roll right here. Okay. Oh, Valentine's Wilhelm joined. He's my best friend. This one? No, I died. I'm gonna say, hold on. I just told them I'm recording. Valentine's Wilhelm, if you know their channel, I'll leave the link. If you don't know the channel, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go check them out. Oh! And the last one is this. Okay. So. Okay. So. Okay, I made it. Okay, you guys don't want to touch the floor. If that's what you're thinking, you cannot touch the floor. I'm going to turn the chat off and... Okay. Trying my best not to touch it. But it's kind of hard. Everyone is hoping for a Packstabber face reveal, but I understand why he does not like to show his face. I understand if he doesn't want to show his face. Everyone's probably wanting Packstabber to do a face reveal, but I think I understand why he doesn't show his face. No one knows what he looks like. Everyone just knows what his voice is like. Well, I'll leave Packstabber's channel link in the description if you want to check him out. I'll leave Packstabber's channel if you want to check his channel out. Okay. I think Grandma's gone insane because, No! Okay, guys. If I'm gonna, pause my freaking recording. Okay, guys, I finally got past that stage. It took a little bit to get past. Whee! Ow! Okay. Okay. So. Oh gosh, no! Okay, what the heck? jump onto the torso. There we go. Okay, I forgot the pattern. Is it right, left? No! Right, left, right. Boom! There we go. You can add my Roblox account if you want, but I highly doubt that I'll accept any of you guys' friend requests because I don't accept friend requests, frankly. Oh no! No! Okay. I cannot let these get me. Cannot. No! I cannot let it get me. No! No! I keep dying. Okay. Finally! No! But I'm the one who has like the highest stage, like No! See, it does not want me to win. It wants me to die. No! No. Yes. Okay. So I'm on with the highest stage. Ew, you guys, I'm not even gonna say it, but it's disgusting. You guys, I think you guys all know what this is, but I'm not gonna say it. It's disgusting. No! You have to avoid it. Huh. Okay, we're getting it, we're getting there. Yes! I made it. No! But I'm the one with like the highest level. Like I'm the highest, as you can see on the board. I'm the top one. I'm on the top because I have the highest score. And can you go in this house? No, you can't. But guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did, enjoy it, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!